In this video, we're going to learn how you can actually mark up a document like a PDF right within Canvas. So for example, you could fill out a worksheet or highlight text, that kind of thing. It takes a little bit of a workaround, but I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. So let's go ahead and go to an assignment here. And notice that I'm in student view, okay? And so the first step that you need to do is you need to download whatever file that your teacher has provided for you. So I'm just going to right click on here and I'm going to say save link as. And that's going to let me save this file to my computer. Now, if you're on a Chromebook, you might hit control click or the double finger click or whatever to be able to do this. But then just remember where you saved it on your computer. So I'm going to hit save. So that's step one. Okay, so I've downloaded the file. Okay, and you can see it there, and I'm just going to close it because I don't need it. Second, I'm actually going to go ahead and submit the assignment. Okay, so I'm going to click right here up in the upper right corner of your assignment. You're going to click submit. And then now you notice that this choose file option is here. And so we're going to go ahead and click choose file, and we're going to find the file that we saved. Okay, so it's just right there in my downloads file. And I click open. And you can see that the name changed. So that means that the file is actually there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hit submit assignment. So I'm basically downloading and re-uploading the blank assignment. Okay. That takes a second. Okay, and then we get confetti. Now the next step is to actually go and see the feedback of this assignment. And so whenever we want to see the feedback of an assignment, we go to the submission details, and you can see it up here, right here where it says submission details. Okay, and so you just click there. And you can't see the file yet, and so we need to click this button right here, or this link right here where it says view feedback. Okay, view feedback. Now what this does is it gives us the same toolbar that teachers have to mark up a text. Okay, and right here in the middle is this little expand button. So if I click that, it makes this full screen where I can see the whole PDF and zoom in if I want to. And now I can use these tools right here in order to mark up the text. So for example, if I wanted to highlight this text right here, I might choose the highlight button and I can highlight it. Okay. If I wanted to write, I could actually choose a color and I could circle something, or I could write the answer to something, or I can underline something. If I wanted to actually type some text on here, so let's say that this was a fill in the blank worksheet or something, I can actually come in here and put this is the answer. Okay, and I can also do like comments anywhere, and so wherever you click on it, it's going to put that comment right here. Here is my comment. Okay, and so this is a great tool. I can even cross some things out. So if I say, can you edit this, and can you cross out certain things? Okay, when I'm done, I can go ahead and hit that to unexpand or decrease it. And the crazy thing is, I don't have to do anything now. All of those items are still going to stay there. So let's say I were to go off of this page and I go back to the assignment. Okay, and I'm going to go back to submission details. And I'm going to click that view feedback again. And notice that all the feedback that I gave right there is still there. Okay, there are all the things that I did on it. And so my teacher can then see that I've done that. And I might put a comment in here that says done for my teacher, and then I might click save so that they know that they can go and then grade it. So it's a bit of a workaround, but it allows us to edit, or not edit, but mark up documents right there inside of Canvas. Thank you.